Okay, students, on this video I'm going to show you how to create what's called a shortcut to a folder that'll show up on your File Explorer. You need that so that it shows up on your File Explorer to be able to use it for XREFing and for some other different things that we're going to be doing throughout the semester, specifically for the McKinley Retail project. The next video after this one, I'll tell you right now, is going to start talking about a Google Drive and how to connect to the Google Drive. That is not the case anymore. The case is we're going to be using the OneDrive, and you're going to connect to this one folder that I'm going to demonstrate on this video. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to my.epcc.edu, and you're going to click on My Apps, or even this one over here. Well, I take that back. Let's go over here, My Apps specifically, and then I want to click here, and I want to go over to the OneDrive. Okay, so you're going to click on these buttons over here. Click on OneDrive, and what happens is that I sent you a link already. So you're going to be able to get to that link on the OneDrive by going over here on the left. After you went to the OneDrive, shared. You're going to click on shared, and then you're going to go shared with you. Okay, if you're on by you, this is what you are sharing with somebody, but it should go by default to with you. And in there, you'll see that one folder that I'm going to be sharing with you, and it's already there. My name's on there, and it should show this folder name. So you're going to select it. Now, what's happening is I need you to be able to see that folder on your File Explorer. Okay, so if I go over here to your OneDrive, that folder is not showing up, and I need to see it here. And it doesn't show up, so I need to see it. So what you're going to do is this one that says Drafting 1330 Civil Drafting McKinley Retail Project, once again, does not show up here. Okay, so I want to get it to show up there because that way you can have access to it on AutoCAD and some other things, but more specifically, well, I take that back, Civil 3D. So once you go to the shared with you, you're going to click on here. Okay, once you click on here, you're going to see Add Shortcut to My Files. Okay, because right now it's not there. So I'm going to click Add Shortcut to My Files. Okay. So you do that, and sometimes it happens immediately, sometimes it takes a while. It's a little weird. Sometimes I've had a student that it took them 10 to 20 minutes. So it does sometimes take a while. Now, after I did this, it did happen immediately. It showed up. There it is. That's the folder that you need to be able to see on your File Explorer. Once again, this might not be immediate. It might take several minutes. I think one student, it didn't happen until the next day for that shortcut to show up. But nonetheless, now you need to be able to go to your OneDrive on your File Explorer. Okay, you go to your File Explorer down here at the bottom. You go to your OneDrive, and there it is, McKinley Retail. You'll double click in there, and there's all kinds of different files and things that you're going to be needing. The next video is going to talk about the it's going to be talking about what's called XREFing, which is going to be XSite and XTopo. Okay, I did use a student account for this video, so that's why it says a student. Please don't contact that student, but nonetheless, I needed to show it to you from your standpoint as far as a student on how to connect to the OneDrive and specifically to that folder. And you're going to be creating another one a little later for that data shortcut for our 2321 class. It's going to be the same procedure. I'll just let you know when that happens, but it's really going to be the same procedure as far as going to your shared with me and adding the shortcut. Okay, so hopefully this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions.